Hi everyone, this is the first tech news I am doing in this channel. Without any further delay, let's get into the details. Most of us are using Facebook from past many years. While scrolling down the newsfeed, you might have come across different types of ads or suggestions. Like these ads or suggestions may be the things you search for or browsed in your mobile in some other apps. So do you want to know how this happens, and do you want to know how to reduce or disable these kinds of ads? Then I'll be explaining you how to reduce or disable these kinds of ads. This is Gaddam Ishwant. You are watching the Gaddam Tech Corner Telugu. Coming to the OnePlus 8 Pro cameras, the OnePlus 8 Pro has a mono camera which is used to apply black and white filters. It is seen that the mono camera of the OnePlus 8 Pro can see through thin plastics and clothes under certain light conditions, but this is not possible in the normal daylight outside the house. This is because a normal camera module will have color filters and an IR filter to block light outside the visible spectrum, but in the mono camera of the OnePlus 8 Pro, these two filters are absent, so it is said that it can see through thin plastics under light exhibits certain properties. Coming to the next news, the General Atlantic company has bought 1.34% stake from Jio, which worth $869.8 million, that is approximately 6,600 crores. This is the fourth company that bought a share from Jio in the past 4 weeks. The remaining three are Facebook, Silver Lake and Vista. The next news is that the Xiaomi is rolling out a new UI to its customers, that is MIUI 12. So it will be releasing 3 batches. The first batch, second batch and third batch mobiles are as follows, and after this it will be rolling out all the remaining MI users. These are the mobiles that doesn't get the MIUI 12 features, and these are the features of the MIUI 12. You can pause the video at this point and you can read all these things. The Redmi company has released 2 mobiles in China. They are Redmi 10X and Redmi 10X Pro. The Redmi 10X comes in 4G variant as well as 5G variant, whereas Redmi 10X Pro is only of 5G variant. The Redmi 10X has a 6.53-inch punch hole display with a resolution of 1080 by 2340. It has a quad camera setup on the back, that is 48MP main sensor, 8MP wide angle camera and 2MP for macro and 2MP for depth. It also has a 13MP front facing camera. The processor is a MediaTek Helio G70 with a clock speed of 1.8 GHz. It is based on the Android 10 and has a battery capacity of 5020 mAh. It is Type-C charging and has a 3.5mm headphone jack. The price is approximately 16,000. The 10X Pro mobile is yet to launch and the details are not specified. And the Samsung has released 2 new mobiles in Thailand. They are A11 and A41. The A11 mobile is priced at 12,300 and A41 mobile is priced at 24,600. Realme has released 2 new mobiles, Realme Narzo 10 and 10A. The 10A has a Media G80 processor. It is priced at 11,999. It has 48MP quad camera setup. The Realme Narzo 10A has 3GB of RAM and 32GB of RAM. It has MediaTek Helio G70 processor. It is priced at 8,500. These 2 mobiles comes with HD plus display. The Vivo company has released a new mobile called Vivo V19. It comes with Snapdragon 712 with FunTouch OS 10 based on Android 10. It's priced at 27,990. The Honor has released a mobile, Honor 9X, which is based on Huawei mobile services. That is, it doesn't contain any Google Play Store services. It is priced at 17,999. It has 6GB of RAM and 256GB of ROM and expandable up to 512GB. It is available for sale on Flipkart on 21st May 12 PM. And coming to the screen, it has a 6.59-inch IPS LCD Full HD Plus display. The screen to body ratio is 92%. It runs on the Kirin 810 chipset. It's based on EMUI 9.1 which runs on Android 9. It has a 48MP triple rear camera and it can record slow motion up to 480 fps. The front is a 16MP pop-up selfie camera with aperture f2.2. It has 4000 mAh battery. And the Apple company has released a new Apple HomePad that is similar to the Amazon Echo. It is priced at 19,990. It comes with Bluetooth 5.0. The Redmi company has increased prices on Redmi Note 8, Redmi 8 and 8A Dual. The new prices are Redmi Note 8 is priced at 11,499, which is a 500 rupees increase. The Redmi 8 is priced at 9,299 and Redmi 8A Dual is priced at 7,299. Huawei has launched a new smartwatch, is GT2e, at a price tag of 11,990. It has an AMOLED display. It has 4 GB onboard storage. It comes with Bluetooth 5.4. It has GPS, heart rate sensor and 1000 workout options. A recent leak shows how the upcoming TWS earphones from OnePlus might actually look like. The design of earphones is like Apple AirPods and the case is in oval shape. Coming to the point on how to disable ads in the Facebook. When you open Facebook, on the top right corner you can see 3 lines. Click on that. When you click on that, this will open, and when you scroll down you can see settings and privacy here. So click on settings and privacy. Click on settings. When you click on settings, this will open. When you scroll down here you can see your off Facebook activity. This is the reason why you will get personalized ads or suggestions. So you have to disable this. So click on off Facebook activity. Here you can see manage your off Facebook activity. Click on that. After clicking that, here you can see the installed apps in your mobile. So this is how it reads data and gives you suggestions. You need to clear history. So click on clear history and here clear history. As I have already cleared the history, it's not asking for password. For you it might ask the Facebook password. So please enter that and clear that history. When you come back, after clicking that clear history, that's not the end to completely disable or reduce the ads. After that you can see here more options. Click on more options. Here you can see manage future activity. So click on that. Here manage future activity. Here by default this will be selected. You need to deselect it. This is how you can completely turn off the off Facebook activity and you can save your data. So this is how you can manage your off Facebook activity. If you like this video, click on the subscribe button and also please do share this video with your friends and also subscribe to my channel. In the next video I will be explaining you about how the 5G network works, whether you have to buy 5G mobile or not. So to watch that video, please subscribe and also click on the bell icon to get notifications.